How to stay consistent at literally doing anything? Well, actually, appreciate yourself for doing the right thing. Here's the thing, you want to change your life to the better by doing some positive things. But I don't know about you, right? But applies to most people, okay, including myself. Whenever we actually try to fulfill the expectation, we actually try to do those things, okay, we never even say thank you to ourselves. Okay, so for example, you click on this video, you want it to be consistent at doing something. Well, that's some good intention to change your life. You need to say thank you to yourself about that. Okay, and when you actually implement the positive thing, the exercising, the studying, you need to always say thank you to yourself 2 times. One, when you start doing the thing. Two, when you end doing the thing, when you finish doing the thing. This way, you make sure that yourself know that there's somebody that actually 100% cared about the thing that you do. And when you know that somebody cared about this thing that you do, there's a big chance that you are going to repeat the same behavior, the same action again in the future. So that's it from me for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, join our Discord. And this is for today's date. I'll tend to say the post, but this video might be uploaded like 1 or 2 days from now because I edited it by myself. Thank you.